up to 15 meters. Make sure it's all the way in. Now go on. Why does it keep draining?
It kind of worked.
We're saving materials here.
Go, 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 go.
Hello everyone, so today we have got something over here. We have Hafli, what do we have?
Epic rocket launcher. Rocket launch.
Yeah, so we have a makeshift rocket over here from Discovery # mind blown. And so basically today we're going to play with it for a bit.
Okay.
We're going to launch it using this baking soda and vinegar over here.
Which we bought before we bought this. No. We bought this before, and then that.
So basically, what we're gonna do is basically, apparently this bucket is powered by this baking soda and vinegar, and once powered by that, apparently it can launch to up to 15 meters.
Where's it gonna go? Launch up to the roof of the building.
I can't. So
Wish it
let's
can.
get started. Okay, so now we customize the rocket.
This rocket is owned by the United Nations.
Okay, now, okay, countdown. The countdown is
It's
like
real, okay.
backwards. Counting to the time to launch. If you watch yes, if you watch video, fantastic grammar. If you watch videos from NASA space missions, you'll hear the announcer say T-10, meaning 10 seconds before liftoff. Let's count the step before you hear your space program's first flight. Right there is an instruction for your fuel your rocket. T-5. Insert the base plug into the launch pad. Make sure it's all the way in.
Okay.
Make sure it's all the way in. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay, hold on. Is this the correct way?
Yeah. 5.
Okay, say T-4.
T-4.
Okay, place the launch tube into the base plug. Okay. Yeah, this.
Wait, it's like right.
Oh, what
When we need to see it. The max. There we go.
Okay. Pour the baking tube and go to fill at least to the min line. Fill to the max line for the highest launch. Yeah, we want the max line for the highest launch.
Looks like we're not supposed to connect.
Cover as many as the hole is possible. Okay, yeah. Afri, I need your help. Okay, hold this in your hole. Hold the tube, covering all of the holes.
Is this covering of them?
Yeah.
I'm gonna blame you if you.
Oh shoot. Sorry.
No.
It's fine. You can just wash it off, Rafli. We need spoons. Little spoons.
Can you taste baking soda? Is that delicious or no?
No, it's not delicious.
Wait, Kak.
It's like
Me. Why me, Rafa?
sorry, sheesh.
When you put the vinegar, you let go and you instantly put the rocket in. Okay.
Now go on.
Ah!
Shit, okay, hold on. Okay. Okay.
Keluar dari.
Hold on. Okay.
Why you want to make it the max?
Okay, hold on.
It's draining again.
Ah, why does it keep draining?
I see.
The hole,
now.
Kak, the hole.
I know the holes.
We know exactly.
Hold on.
We can use the.
Wait. Grab your hand. Okay. Grab your hand and put it on the holes quickly. There you go. Thank you.
Ulangannya.
Hold it tightly, please. Oh wait, hold it. There you go. Okay. Now,
They're much better.
fill wisdom in
It's not max.
No. For this one, you need to fill it. Wait, hold on. Let me do this one first. This is not going well. Where's the line? Oh, we can barely see it. Okay, never mind. Let's see it. There you go, reach the man. Okay, hold on. Just this in.
That.
Let me just sprinkle this in.
Itu nya Kak, yang hitam jangan lupa.
Okay, hold on the rocket. This is the other hand. Okay, hold on.
Ini
Kak,
Kak.
ini Kak.
Huh?
Nah, itu.
Yang hitamnya.
Hey, shoot.
No, it's not in the minimum. It's not in the minimum.
No, it's supposed to be in the maximum. It's in the maximum now. For this one. Okay, hold on.
No, for the baking soda, I'm saying.
Okay, now tilt it a little bit. Okay, need to put this in now.
Go.
It was too late.
Oh, wait, hold on. You need to get this shake. Hold on. Is it working?
It was too late. It was too late, Rafa.
I don't know, bisa. Okay, hello everyone again. So this is trial 2 because trial 1 failed miserably. Oh, and also Cop Mars is here to help me this time.
Let's go.
Okay, first foot done. Base plug. Make sure it's all the way in.
Yes.
Fit the launch tube onto the base plug. What's the thing? Okay, there it is.
Itu. Ya, dia keluar, Kak.
Yeah, I know. That's why you need to like turn it a little bit semuanya.
Oke.
Like that.
Dulu tahan dulu.
Wow! Let go. Nggak bisa.
Iya.
Oh. It's moving. Okay, stop everyone again. So, last time it failed again. So this is attempt 3, a final attempt, and hopefully it'll work this time. So let's go.
Mas, main.
Okay, let's be very careful. Very careful. Oh, shoot. Very careful. Very careful. Very careful.
Naikin dikit dulu.
Wait, Kak.
Atasnya naikin.
Wait, Kak.
Wait.
Oh, shoot. Gear, nanti. Okay, hold it.
Full.
Oh, it's not, okay. Just,
Already full.
no, just like,
Oke.
oh, shoot.
Jepit.
Ooh. Shit, no, is there more? Is there more? Oh, that was it. Is that it? That was it. Okay. Oh, wait, no, there's more. Okay. We're saving materials here. Ah! Wow, fantastic, terrific. Okay.
Ini kakak angkat gini berarti nanti ya.
Yeah.
Tuang dulu.
Barengan.
Okay. Just gonna.
Don't forget to shake it. Shake it.
Oh, tunggu no, aku boleh. Lagi di.
Udah mantap.
Nih,
Muka di atas.
there you go.
Bisa.
There you go. Okay. Stand back. Ready?
Jangan lupa di shake ya kak.
Gimana dong?
Sini aku angkat. Oke.
Enggak.
Ya, habis.
Aduh, fail lagi. Ya! At least it worked a bit. It kind of worked.
The rocket is flying out.
I didn't go as high, but at least it worked. Oh, ini masih ada ini tuh. Nggak apa kan? Masih ada. Energinya nggak terlalu banyak kok.
Sudah.
Ini gimana dong?
Itu udah aku tuang. Coba ya.
Iya tapi nggak terlalu banyak kok. Iya.
Iya, soalnya cukanya dikit.
Iya. Tapi bisa kok bisa.
Bisa.
Tapi cuma perlu cuka lagi. Okay, so summary, we basically finished this entire rocket thing and the results were disappointing, like extremely disappointing. But at least it worked and that's all that kind of mattered. So thank you so much for watching this, not really crazy experience, but this experience, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya.